Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
So for accessing this camera feature, you have to go to your setting, and in setting find the screen time, and here click on content and privacy restrictions. Now in content and privacy restrictions, go to load app and features. Check whether the camera option is on or not. If it's on, then turn it off, because if you have on this option it may cause some problems. After that, come back and here off the option content and privacy restriction, because it may cause issues sometime. Hopefully after this you will not face the issue again. How you can fix the camera accessing permission for any app?
If I open my Snapchat here you can see that Snapchat is showing that Snapchat don't have any access to our camera. So here, simply by clicking on open setting, here by opening the setting, you can see the Snapchat setting here.
Before this, people used to update or delete their app to access the camera option, but no need to do that. I will teach you how you can do that without deleting or updating your apps.
Here you can see camera and you can see that this is turned off. You can turn this on. In this way you can give camera access to Snapchat. Simply you can off your microphone if you want to, and you can do other changes. That was specifically for Snapchat. But if we talk collectively about all the things like all the apps, so how we can do that? So if we want to check out that which app has camera access and which app don't have camera access, instead of opening all these apps and checking out if they have camera access or not, you can simply open the setting. Here in setting you can see the option privacy and security. Click on that. Now here scroll down. Here you can see the option camera. Click on it. Here now you can see that which app has camera access and which app don't have. Here you can see that Google Ads don't have any access to camera. You can turn it on if you want to. Now we have given Google Ads camera access. For example, if you want to off some apps camera access, you can do that from here. Like if I don't want to give camera access to clips, I can simply turn it off from here in this way. Similarly, you can also do this for Google Ads, Fiverr, all the apps you want. That was all about giving camera access to all your apps. If even doing all these things you are still facing this problem, simply go to setting. Here in setting, go to journal. After going to journal, scroll down. Here you can see the option transfer or reset. You can simply reset to start your phone again. And after that, hopefully you can't feel the issue anymore. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.